So lectures are just a starting point for your wider reading. And reading at uni is much more a case of dipping into lots of different texts for what you need.
Yeah, rather than just reading one or two in depth. But that doesn't mean you have to spend a lot of money on books. The library has most of what you need.
Or if not, they can get access to it. And they usually have multiple copies of books that are in high demand, as well as electronic versions, so lots of people can access them at the same time. Imagine though, with all of the different courses and all those students, that's a lot of books.
Yeah, and the library has everything from general introductory texts to very specialised works. A huge resource like this needs a system to help you organise and navigate it.
So for starters, lecturers provide a reading list, which is essentially a mix of core text and other recommended reading. You learn to track down each book by its individual shelf mark in the library catalogue.
Or you could just browse and see what you find. There's nothing wrong with going beyond the reading list. It's just a starting point.
And evidence of independent reading means high marks.
There's a lot more than books though. A lot of cutting-edge academic research is published as articles in journals.
Journals are sort of academic magazines published a few times a year, and the library pays a subscription so we can access them.
This is specialised literature that isn't generally available on the internet.
And as well as cutting-edge scholarship, the library also has special collections and archives containing some pretty unique and rare materials.
As big as the library is though, this is only a part of what you can access here. A lot of books, journals and other materials are electronic, and there are other types of information available, including market research, conference proceedings, statistics and data.
These resources are available through searchable databases, and there are a lot of different databases catering for different subjects.
Some are more general, some are more specialised, and you might need to search more than one database to be sure you find everything that could be relevant for what you need. There's a lot of information here, but learning a few basic search techniques will make it a lot easier to wade through it all.
And there's plenty of support to help you do this, whether it's finding a book on the shelves, tracking down a source, or searching the databases and getting some relevant results.
Whether you spend a lot of time here or mostly access the library's resources online somewhere else, the librarians are the people to ask if you need pointing in the right direction.